We are currently living in extraordinary times. For the time being, many people laugh at those that possess XRP Ripple, but believe me when I say that soon all of the skeptics will change their opinions. Ripple's chief executive officer has made it very clear to the entire world that XRP Ripple has a chance of winning the court case this month. What's more, industry professionals are discussing the possibility of XRP Ripple reaching a price of $200. It is a very strong indication of bullishness. It is possible that this is your last opportunity to get XRP Ripple coins at such a low price. First things first, without further ado, let's get right down to business. I hereby defer. Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission are currently engaged in a legal battle that is heating up once more, attracting the attention of the cryptocurrency community as well as people from other related fields. Ripple's native digital asset, XRP, is now selling at approximately 52 cents and is moving within a symmetrical triangle pattern that traders are closely tracking. This case has a tremendous amount of weight for the future of XRP. In recent events, Ripple submitted a reply letter in which it requested that critical financial data be redacted or sealed. This could potentially weaken the company's competitive advantage. Within the realm of cryptocurrency, this decision has generated a great deal of enthusiastic curiosity and speculation. Ripple has submitted a reply letter in further support of its move to seal papers in connection with the SEC's move for judgment and remedies, according to James Phelan, a well-known player in the XRP community, who turned to Twitter to provide updates on the matter. Phelan stated that the SEC has filed a petition for judgment and remedies. The verdict in this case will have a significant impact not only on Ripple but also on the greater cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Analysts and watchers are keeping a close eye on the events that are taking place, observing that Ripple has already successfully achieved some partial successes. It is important to note that a number of charges concerning programmatic sales of XRP have been disregarded nonetheless. The topic of institutional sales continues to be a sensitive matter. It is possible that a victory for Ripple might have far-reaching consequences. To begin, it has the potential to provide XRP with the regulatory clarity that it has been lacking due to the current case around the cryptocurrency. As a result of this clarification, businesses and investors may feel more confident in the legal status of XRP, which may lead to increased adoption and usage of the cryptocurrency. Data from the past provide credence to this perspective. A significant increase in the value of the XRP token has frequently occurred when Ripple has been granted positive judicial rulings. Things are on the line here. A verdict that is favorable to Ripple might result in a dramatic price reversal for XRP, which would be supported by renewed investor confidence and possibly higher demand. On the other side, a verdict that is adverse could have the reverse effect, which would further complicate the regulatory situation for cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the high risks involved are highlighted by Ripple's proactive posture in the process of finalizing its financial arrangements. Adding still another layer of complication to the situation is the assertion made by the corporation that the disclosure of this information could be detrimental to its standing in the competitive landscape. This strategic action by Ripple brings to light the larger contradiction that exists between the need to safeguard business interests and the need to maintain regulatory openness in the cryptocurrency sector, which is in a state of rapid evolution and extreme competition. As we continue to look deeper into the Ripple versus SEC drama, it is abundantly evident that Ripple's win appears to be on the verge of being achieved. However, there is one crucial factor that has the potential to completely tilt the scales in favor of Ripple. The chief executive officer of Ripple is the only individual who have the ability to bring about a decisive victory. And what do you think? It has been accomplished by him. If you want to avoid missing out on this great bullish signal for XRP, you should not miss out on this development. You are going to be speechless. Investors have been eagerly anticipating a breakout for XRP, particularly in light of the recent favorable market trends and regulatory changes that have occurred. The market capitalization of XRP might climb to an amazing $3 trillion in the next cycle phase, according to an optimistic prediction made by a prominent analyst. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, has expressed his conviction that XRP will soon have its very own spot exchange-traded fund in the United States, which has contributed to this optimism, a sort of investment fund known as an exchange-traded fund. ETF is one that is traded on stock exchanges in a manner that is comparable to that of equities. It tracks an underlying index and holds assets like as stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrency, among other commodities and assets. It would be a momentous occasion for those who have XRP if an exchange-traded fund ETF were to be approved. The provision of a regulated and widely accessible method for investors to obtain exposure to XRP will likely result in an increase in both demand and liquidity among investors. When it comes to the future of cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds ETFs, particularly for XRP, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is bullish. At the Consensus 2024 conference held in Austin, Garlinghouse made a prediction that exchange-traded funds ETFs for XRP are only a few steps away. He remarked, "I believe that it is just a matter of time, and it is inevitable that there is going to be an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. There is going to be an ETF for Solana, and there is going to be an ETF for Solana, and there is going to be an ETF for Cardano, and that is fantastic." The Securities and Exchange Commission recently approved 6 spot Ether exchange-traded funds ETFs, which caused the price of Ethereum to reach its highest level since March. This sentiment is a result of the Securities and Exchange Commission's significant policy shift. The SEC has requested that issuers send in their preliminary filings for the S-1 form. The groundwork has been laid for a slew of new cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds. Since 2017, the market capitalization of XRP has fluctuated as a result of a significant pattern known as the white channel, which has been brought to the attention of analysts at xrp+ripple. Over the course of history, this ascending channel has proven to be a dependable indicator of price movement. In the event that XRP is able to break out of this channel, it may be on the verge of a meteoric increase, with the possibility of potentially hitting a market size of $3 trillion. At the moment, the total market capitalization of XRP is $28.6 billion. According to xrp+ripple, if XRP were to reach the top of the white channel, its market cap would increase to about $290 billion, which would be a big leap. If this trajectory continues, XRP may experience growth that has never been seen before, possibly surpassing the growth of big cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. As an additional point of interest, the most recent information from Linkto suggests that the pre-IPO shares of Ripple are currently trading at $50.69, much greater than the $35 that was charged the previous year. There is a possibility that the price of XRP will be positively affected by the 1,242% increase in Ripple's valuation. In the event that the price of XRP were to climb by the same 1,242%, it would reach $6.63, would be a significant increase from its present buying price. Ripple's ambitious aspirations for the development of institutional decentralized finance were revealed by Garlinghouse, who went beyond addressing exchange-traded funds ETFs. Through the implementation of this plan, the Ripple ecosystem will be able to significantly enhance its utility and variety through the introduction of multi-purpose tokens. Ripple is continuing to consolidate its position as a prominent participant in the market to the extent that it has positioned itself at the forefront of innovation within the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple is now navigating its legal issues and preparing for potential significant upheavals like as the approval of an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF and initial public offering IPO overseas. The future appears to be quite positive for holders of XRP. The road to a market valuation of $3 trillion may appear to be an ambitious goal, but if the appropriate regulatory reforms and market circumstances are in place, it is very possible that this goal might become a reality. On the other hand, it only gets more intriguing. For a great number of industry professionals, the price of $6 appears to be a joke, in the sense that it is too low for an XRP Ripple token. It is not possible for you to be prepared for this astounding price forecast. There is no way you can afford to miss it. Keep an eye on the situation to find out how high XRP could potentially go and what this implications for your investments, in which price projections are frequently met with mistrust and volatility is the norm among the market. Investors from all over the world have taken notice of the projection that one analyst has been making for XRP. Javon Marks, a notable cryptocurrency analyst who is recognized for his analytical market perspectives, has discovered a technical indicator that suggests a potential increase for XRP. Javon Marks also identified a price goal for the cryptocurrency, which has many investors